everybody, Will Tahan over here. Our clients typically wonder how much ad budget should they put on Google Ads and where and when do they hit the ceiling. Ceiling means that even if you increase more and more of your ad spend, there's always a point of diminishing in return. So let me kind of share with you what happens here. So typically with Google Ads, it's a very, very great way to reach those who are problem aware. Problem aware means they have intent, they have intention. They go on Google, they might type in funeral home near me. They have intention. Or they might type in, let's say if they're in Miami, they might type in Miami funeral homes. So Google Ads is a very, very good way to target those who are already problem aware, they have intention. So once you start doing Google Ads, let's say you put $20 a day, and there's only so many people in a day that's looking for your services. So you will slowly increase, let's say, from $20 to maybe $40. Eventually you hit a threshold that by increasing your ad budget more, there's not that many people looking for your services. You're not able to use up your ad budget. And Google Ads is a pay-per-click model. So you only get charged when people click on your ad. So let me show you an example here. So if you look at this account of right here as an example, they're spending $30 a day right now. And how do we know, right? Google loves money, so Google will say, hey, spend more, right? So Google's put it here is, hey, you're limited by ad budget. So what does this mean is, hey, how much more do we need to spend? Right? That typically goes in our mind is, hey, as business owners, we want to always know, hey, each channel, when will we hit the threshold? So with Google Ads, it's actually very, very easy to tell. And there's a couple of metrics here that we look at. One is search lost impression share due to budget. That means based on $30 a day, we're missing about 13 to 14% of the traffic. So theoretically, that means if we just need to increase the ad budget by 13 to 14%, then our ads will be shown more or less close to 100% of the time. So it's one metric that we look at. The other thing that you can look at is if you log into a Google Ad account, there's a budget explorer. Again, Google loves money, as I always say. So this account, we're currently spending $30 a day, and Google says that, hey, if you increase your ad budget to $38, you'll get 6 more clicks. If you increase to $50, you're gonna get 12 more clicks, right? But again, right, you always, right, this simulator, even though it's semi-accurate, I still don't buy it, okay? So you will, what typically we advise the clients to do is slowly increase the ad budget. Let's say you're spending $30 a day, then increase to $40 a day, slowly increase to 50. And there's always, once you hit a threshold, there's, even if you increase your ad budget, eventually there's not going to be anybody, extra people clicking on it. And we still typically, we go by this metric over here, search lost, impression share due to budget. That one is a little more conservative. This budget Explorer budget simulator, that one typically asks you to spend a little bit more. Okay, so hopefully this helps.